Alright, boys, tell us what y'all watching.
Man, me and my boy, we watching Two Girls, One Cup.
I don't know what the hell this shit is.
Man, I heard about it, cuz.
I ain't never heard of it. This is my first time hearing about it, cuz. Let's get on with the show, man.
Man, I don't believe it's as nasty as people say it is, so. Man. Oh, yeah. Girl on girl action, I like it.
You just walk in, boy?
Y'all niggas crazy as fuck. Oh!
Hey, watch the whole thing. Watch the whole thing. You gonna see some more.
That Two Girls in the Cup shit?
Yeah.
Ice cream.
No! No! No!